Okay, here we go unboxing the Rover S1 that I got off of TikTok. Just got here, so this is the box that came in. Came with an extra battery. The deal was it was free, so let's see that was in there. I'm gonna get this box open. Okay, looks like again slice this tape. Box. Oh man. Another mystery. I think it's made out of gold. Hey! Box in a box in a box. This should be the controller. Here's extra props. Charging cable, I guess. Screwdriver for the range props. And here is the connector to connect to the controller to the phone. It's always the instruction manual. You got a microscope. Anyway, and then of course there's the controller. We'll do that later. Here's the drone. So it's weighed 249 grams. Just like the DJI Mini. Alright, there we are. There's the controller. It's like a duplicate of the DJI. It's cabling that gets the connection to the phone. Put it here first. And then there's the drone. Make sure everything's good. Like that. A little bit different. Yeah. There it is. Here's this comes off. Well, look at it. It's pretty nice cover there for the gimbal. The camera. Of course, then the battery goes back to the same thing. Charging and the SD card goes in there. So far so good. I think it's a pretty good looking drone. Got here on time. I mean, everything, the price was amazingly cheap. Much hundreds of dollars cheaper than the it'd be nice to do a comparison and see if it lives up to all the features. I've read reviews that it has. So we shall see. Okay, because that's part one. See you later.